for them, the Gen Z, ওদের idea of self-independence is very high. I want to be independent. But they don't think about the why often. They do things and they try to experience things. এখন প্যারেন্টিং এর যে জায়গাটা we are making mistakes is basically we are carrying forward a parenting that was passed on to us from our previous generation, the way our parents taught us, and then we are trying to do that. This is not going to work out. This is not going to work out in the sense that আমি একটা কথা খুব ইদানিং বলি, and I said it in another place. Just because I've given birth to somebody biologically, that is not my entitlement to parenting. Parenting is not an entitlement, as much as I tell my children that my relationship being my children is not your entitlement just because you come biologically through me.